Hey, today we're going to talk about how banks in China are actually freezing people's accounts, and people are pretty much in the streets going crazy. But I think I have a solution for that. We also look into the charts to see where we're at right now and where we're headed. Let's go. Hey, what's up, guys? You got Crypto Chuck back here, the group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Hope you enjoyed it. If you was on a beach, sitting back, chilling, if you was hanging by the pool, do whatever you doing, I hope you guys had a great time over the weekend. Man, the market, it's kind of steady right now today. We know we had a nice little dip. Obviously dip by Sundays, you guys know how it is. So, but at the same time, guys, so shout out to everybody, all the people out there shorting, and shout out to all the people that had their stops in play. But man, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Make sure you guys follow me on all different social media platforms at The Crypto Black. TikTok, everything. Guys, I'm telling you, man, we had a $500 giveaway on Saturday. It was a great call. Shout out to everybody that did win. Shout out to everybody that won the 1 free hour. We had 2 winners. We had 5 people won $100 in Bitcoin, and then we had 2 people win. They didn't know this was a surprise. 2 people win a 1 hour stock one-on-one, my guy Mike Miller, and a 1 hour one-on-one with me with crypto. So we had a total of 7 winners, guys. So it was great. But make sure you guys follow us on all different social medias. And guys, we've seen over the weekend, man. I did tweet this out Saturday night. I said, pretty much I told people, you know what I mean? I said, Bitcoin, gotta make a decision. We seen Bitcoin had to make a decision, guys. Right here display, and it kept bouncing off. But it was a Saturday night going into Sunday, so I said, hey, Bitcoin has to make a decision. And then we seen that decision that Bitcoin made, push straight down. So guys, anybody that was out there did take that trade, knowing that Saturday going into Sunday dip by days, shout out to everybody that did take that trade and shorted all the way down, or got out of the market if they wasn't shorting. It didn't do it long. So shout out to everybody that did do that. But man, today, man, we're gonna talk about how Bitcoin is the answer. Chinese banks right now, people are protesting in the streets that they don't got access to their money. They can't get their money out of the banks. But man, we know we know how we can solve that problem, right, guys? We know how we can solve that problem. A ton of people all around. So the case of Bitcoin strengthens as Chinese bank depositors riot over frozen accounts. So angry crowds gathered in Xinghao, demanding access to their bank deposits. Some say self-custody of Bitcoin is the answer. We know that. We know that already. But man, let's take a look at Bitcoin today. Bitcoin is still in this box, guys, trying to push up. Bitcoin at $20,463. But the good thing is, man, for the last week, Bitcoin is up over 5.67%. That is a good thing. We're down though 29.84% for the month. So we'll see how July pull away. But we had a strong beginning of July. I can't say that we had a strong beginning of July. CPI, we all know CPI numbers come out this week, so but we're still in this box right here, guys. We was in this box, back inside May, and we was here, man. We was in this box for 32 days. We was in this box for 32 days, and we pretty much inside this box right here, as you guys can see. We got in here, we closed out so here, and we've been here for 25 days. So, we still got a little over a week, a little over a week to go, but we'll see how we make it, because I think the CPI number is going to push us out of this box. The CPI number is going to push us out of this box. The CPI number is going to either push us up or push us back, push us down under 17,529, or push us up above 27. Well, we got to close, guys. That's the thing. A lot of people don't understand. We got to close. We got real close to closing right here these 2 days. We didn't close. All right. We got to push up. Once we push up, man, I think we get above that 50-day, which is about 25,000. So, and that's going to be a nice strong resistance as well. But this here, this is the strong resistance, right? Strong. All right, resistance right here. You guys can see right here, about 21,732. Real strong resistance. All right. So we gotta push above here. But trading sideways, it's not fun. You really don't want to do that, guys, because that's how you get caught up. You don't really want to trade sideways. I would say let's get above the 7-day, and then let's close above this 21,732. If you guys going to be trading, just trade. When you see bullish sentiment, you go trade up to 21, pretty much 21.7. I would say on bullish sentiment, it still gives you about 4.5%. 4.5% trade. If you're trading down, obviously you're gonna push it down. I'll say, try to trade with them down here to an easy trade will be about 18.7. About 18, I would say 18.750, make it real easy. 18.750 would be a nice little easy trade if you're gonna be shorting it down. All right, so that's your 2 right there. Or you can take the chance, try to short it all the way down. But I say easy trade still over 7% will be shorting it down. All right, but let's get back to right champ. So it says social media footage shows crowds of angry people in Xinhai, the largest city of Henan province, protesting the freezing of accounts by some rural banks. Local media reported that the deposits held by affected banks could be worth up to $1.5 billion. Wow. Some observers point out that the self-custody of assets takes away control from banks. For example, commenting on video footage of the protest, one Twitter wrote, "More future Bitcoiners being orange pilled." Yeah, peel that orange, baby. All right, so Chinese banking system shows signs of collapse. Rumors of a Chinese banking collapse have been circulating since at least April the 18th, when Henan-based Yuzhou Jinmin Xin Village Bank, tell you, man, I know, man, I'm telling you, man, you want me, says Shanghai Homeland Country Bank and Xingqing Honghao Community Bank froze deposits, citing systems updates. Now, since then, this has been no update on the situation, leaving depositors frustrated and fearing the worst, that their money has disappeared. I think Canada was. I think Canada had the same issue not too long ago as well. Because things came to the head on Sunday. I think about a week ago, a couple weeks ago, Canada had pretty much close to the same issue. Things came to a head on Sunday, as approximately 1,000 convened outside the central bank's Xinhai officers demanding action. The scene show protesters waving banners and throwing water bottles, with private security personnel getting heavy-handed with some protesters. Now, amid a global downturn and quantitative tightening by central banks worldwide, Nikkei Asia reported that the Chinese government is preparing a financial stability security fund to prop up the country's ailing financial sector. Now it says the new Financial Stability Security Fund is expected to provide backstop for big institutions such as banks, insurers, and leasing companies in cases of imminent collapse. Wow, guys, I'm saying there's a lot of stuff happening, man. It's like self-custody cannot be frozen. Bitcoin advocate says the self-custody of BTC circumvents such a situation occurring in the first place. Comment on the protest Twitter account, deterministic optimism points out Bitcoin cannot be frozen, adding that while critics comparing BTC for wild price swings, this is preferable to having no assets from confiscation. All right. This is have volatile assets, and this shows the protest. But stuff going crazy, man. However, it remains to be seen if Bitcoin can survive the pop of the everything bubble. Yeah, everything bubble. But you guys got to remember back when back in 2020, Bitcoin, when everything was collapsing, Bitcoin was the first one to rise out of ashes like a phoenix. All right, so there's something to think about there as well. A lot of people, everything fall. Yeah, but remember, what's the first one to come back? That's the thing. What's the first one to come back? Everything falling. Indeed, it is. But what's the first thing to come back? That's the thing you got to worry about. You know what I mean? And so that's the thing you got to look out for. All right. But we're seeing, man, a lot of turmoil. We're seeing, the Prime Minister of UK resigning. We see what happened in Japan. The ex-prime minister, longest term prime minister. Prime Minister was Abe get assassinated. Pretty much the same as day UK Prime Minister resigned. We see what's going on in Sri Lanka. The prime minister resigned. They went and rushed into his house, the president's house. He resigned. I mean, you got world leaders resigning and getting assassinated. 2 of them first world countries. And then we're seeing the banks right here in China, the largest population in the world. And we know the leadership going on here in this country. This administration, we're seeing inflation. We're seeing everything go up. Guys, I'm telling you right now, it's going to be times where we'll be like, hey, listen, you might not be able to get your money. We see what happened during 2020. You go and try to grab about $5,000-6,000 out of the bank, $10,000 out of the bank in 2020 during a crisis. And I bet you got turned around. I bet you got turned away. But they say, hey, we ain't got it. So guys, I'm telling you right now, it's something to think about, man. It's something to think. A lot of things happen globally that people have really had to pay attention to. You're seeing prime ministers getting assassinated. Prime ministers from first world countries get assassinated or resigning. I mean, administration getting shook up. You know what I mean? So, guys, I'm telling you right now, something to think about, man. Something to think about. So, but yeah, man, guys, let me know what you think about this right here. Make sure you guys write in the comment what you think about this right here. But Bitcoin is the answer. You're able to hold your crypto. You own your crypto. Now, I put it on exchange, but not your keys, not your cheese, baby. Not your keys, not your cheese. So, guys, make sure you hold it inside your wallet, your private wallet. All right, not on exchange. Not on CFI, anything like that. Hold it in your own wallet. If it has a CEO, don't hold it there. Hold it in your own wallet that you have your keys to, okay? If you don't got keys, you don't have cheese, all right? But, man, I'm going to holler at y'all. Guys, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you guys follow us on all different social medias at The Crypto Black. I'm telling you, I'm dropping gems on Twitter all the time. I'm focusing on Twitter, guys. I'm dropping gems. I gave you guys the support and resistance for Solana back on the 9th. So people was killing it, eating it up all day long. So, guys, I'm telling you right now, holla at me. But, man, I'm going to see you guys next video. It's your guy, Crypto Chuck, here with the group Crypto Black. Make sure you guys stack your sats and chill. We out of here, baby. Peace.